I look so greasy, it makes no sense. But I'm getting ready to get up out this house. So it is Saturday morning. I'm getting ready to head to the hair salon and get my hair rebraided. So we are doing another braid down install, so that can last another like 6 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks if possible. It's a heavy workout month for September. I don't need any discrepancies for the month of September. I don't need my hair to this, to that, none of it. So let's go ahead and get the hair rebraided. My appointment is at 12. And then after that, we are going to get our nails done. Yeah, going to get my nails and my toes done. And then later on tonight, Clarence and I are going to like a little party, get together, adult gathering, if you will. And so the kids are gonna go to his parents' house tonight, I think. Maybe my mom. I'll have to check and see. But yeah, right now I'm about to like finish getting myself together. I just did my skincare and everything. Had my coffee. Trying to decide if I'm gonna eat before I get there, or if I'll be able to like trying to see if I'm gonna eat before I get there, or if I'll be able to hold out until after I get my hair done. But that's it. I just wanted to check in. Probably going to be like a maintenance-y type vlog. It is Labor Day weekend as well. I do need to go to the grocery store. So we'll see how the day flutters out. If I don't make it to the grocery store today, of course I'll go first thing in the morning. Kim said hey. But yeah, girl, I'm greasy. I got on a lip mask. If you're wondering why my lips look so crazy, it's because I have on a lip mask as well. Just very greasy faced because I don't plan on wearing any makeup. We're going out later today and I'll need to do my makeup for that, so I'm not gonna wear makeup. I'm just going to get my hair and my nails and my toes done, so no big deal. Trying to think if there are any other errands that I need to run. But of course I'll bring you guys along. We got a good charged battery and a clear SD card, so we're gonna make it do what it do. So I will see you guys as the day progresses.
Shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow.
Hey y'all, I don't even know where to put y'all. Is this gonna work? I doubt it. I look crazy. I went and got my hair braided though. I went and got my nails done. We went with a lilac-y purple, very, very light. Normally I get like a darker purple, but we went light this go round. And then the braids, we got them the same. And then we're trying to determine what we're gonna do on the next go round. Anyways, sorry, I'm moving around, so it's trying to focus. But yeah, we're supposed to be getting ourselves ready to go out, but we are being lazy bums. I have poured wine. I came home, made lunch. I'm gonna put this on, but I don't like it. So y'all know I recently sat down. I did a haul. I hauled this Lancome lippy. I'm not a fan. It's something about the formula I'm not liking. It's too slippery. What's wrong? What's in your mouth? What is that? What is that? Where'd you get it from? Put it in the trash. It's something about this formula, and I'm putting it on because it's the first thing I have. But it's like, I don't like it. I don't like it. Hey, Cam said hey. I don't like it. I may take this back. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm not feeling it. It's the way it almost clumps or something. I don't know. I just don't like it. Sorry y'all, I don't have y'all on the tripod, and so it is very difficult to like hold y'all, use my other hand. But yeah, not feeling this. I'm definitely, probably as soon as I finish talking to y'all, going to go on the app and start a return on that, because I just don't like it. I'm not a fan of it, so don't recommend. But I'm gonna like get out of here because at this point I don't have y'all stable and I don't like it, and so I can't really talk because it's just, I'm irritated by how I need to, it just ain't working. So let me get the tripod or something, figure out what I'm gonna wear, all the good things, and then I'll be back. Hey y'all, so we are headed to drop the kids off at my mom's house and go to our little shindig or whatnot. There's the kids, there's Cam.
I'm already thinking of what college I'm gonna go to, and I haven't even reached 7th grade yet.
No, you have not, you're still in 6th. But yeah, we're just had to stop at the gas station, and so I put on a little bit of makeup, a tiny bit, nothing crazy. But yeah, so that's what we're doing, is just getting gas and stuff, and heading to my mom's house to drop the kids off. Depending on what kind of party this is, meaning like if people are comfortable with me like pulling out the camera. Sometimes people be looking at you all crazy, so you know. But yeah, depending on what type of party it is or whatever, I may turn the camera on.
You can't be quiet.
You're better than the parties.
Can't say no, I know you want it. If it's right like that, it's right like that. Kiss me
shit laid back. You can get all this good karma. I don't even need to meet your mama. Can you wrap your head around that? But you never had a nigga like that.
Hey you guys, so it is Tuesday. Yeah, that's fine. It's in my office.
Okay, good. My camera's
Okay. It is Tuesday. The day after Labor Day. We had a really good Labor Day. I don't know how much I have filmed. It has not been a lot. I feel like I haven't filmed since I was getting my hair and my nails done. Which was kind of like, in my opinion, the start of the vlog, if I'm not mistaken. But Saturday, okay, hold on one second, Kim. Saturday, I got my nails done. I got my hair done. Got my hair rebraided. Got my nails and my toes done. And white on my toes. Gel pedicure. Spa Deluxe pedicure, as always. And then we went to a house party, like a little Labor Day kickback. And then we hung out with some friends. After that, we went to eat. And then Sunday and Monday, we didn't do anything. Like, we were in the house on chill mode. And so that's all we've been doing. And right now, we are still grilling because we bought so much like meats and stuff, like chicken, shrimp, that kind of stuff. So we're about to put some chicken wings on the grill. I am just buttering up this corn on the cob and seasoning it up, and then rolling it in some aluminum foil so Clarence can put them on the grill. We're gonna do some green beans. We've got some leftover potato salad. I just didn't want to have too much like random food in the refrigerator, so we're just getting rid of the last minute stuff. We'll be back to like our normal meal schedule before the week is out. But yeah, I didn't want any of this food to go to waste, so we're gonna go ahead and do the corn and the beans and throw the, like I said, these wings on the grill. I am working, but yeah, we've just been really kicked back low key. I didn't get to share with you guys, but I did pick up some roses for the house. I only picked up these for the living room, or I'm sorry, the kitchen. I was gonna get some, there is a fly in here. I was gonna get some for the living room, but I think I want to do more of like a fall arrangement than like roses. So yeah, there's that. But yeah, we just been kicking back, y'all. Not too much has been going on, so I'm going to continue to vlog throughout the week. Maybe this will go up Friday, maybe Thursday or Friday, just because I really don't feel like I did a lot of vlogging with you guys. What else is happening or new? I haven't ordered anything. Nothing's come in. Yeah, so nothing crazy. Let me get dinner going though. I'm gonna go ahead and get dinner started. I'm on my lunch break as well, so I kind of don't really have a whole lot of time. So let me finish up, and then I will see you guys tomorrow.